In the heart of the city, a suspended railway tunnel reveals itself as a time capsule of commuters' past. Lantern light glints on chipped tiles while a faded map hints at hidden rooms once used by workers after midnight. Beneath the street, a forgotten archive stores blueprints, newspaper clippings, and letters that stitch together a city's quiet revolutions. The narrator traces footsteps along damp arches, uncovering stories of resilience, forgotten engineers, and a community that persevered. When the hatch closes, the viewer leaves with a sense that every doorway carries a secret waiting to be spoken.